Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Hater, and let's be real, we all want more views on our videos, right? Like, who wouldn't want millions of people vibing with their content? Have you ever wondered why your videos get no views? It's like you put your heart and soul into editing, you hit upload, and crickets. Trust me, I've been there. But, what if I told you making money online is easier than you think? That getting more views on YouTube is totally doable, no matter what kind of stuff you make. First up, we gotta talk thumbnails and titles, the ultimate hype squad for your video. Think of it like this. You see a giant plate of the most delicious-looking nachos ever. You're gonna click on that, right? That's what your thumbnail needs to be. Bright, bold, and impossible to ignore. But here's the thing. Don't be that person who puts a giant arrow pointing to a blurry picture of a cat and calls it, "I found a dinosaur." Clickbait works. But don't make it misleading. Keep it real with your audience. Ever notice how some days your phone's blowing up with notifications and other days it's like a ghost town? YouTube's the same way. You gotta post when your people are online and ready to watch. Check your YouTube analytics, see when your viewers are most active. Evenings and weekends are usually a safe bet, but every audience is different. Figure out what works for you. Alright, listen up because this is huge. YouTube Shorts? They are an absolute game changer. Think of them like little bursts of awesome that grab people's attention faster than you can say, subscribe. Make them short, make them snappy, and make sure you hook people in the first 2 seconds. And hey, if you've got longer videos, chop them up into bite-sized shorts. Repurposing is key, people. Chapter 4. Trends are like waves. Catch the right one and you'll be riding high. Stay on top of what's hot in your niche, use Google Trends and see what's popping on YouTube's trending tab. Make content around those topics, but don't just jump on every bandwagon that passes by. Keep it authentic to you and your channel. Chapter 5. SEO might sound like something only tech wizards understand, but it's simpler than you think. It's all about using the right keywords in your title, description, and tags, so people can actually find your videos. Think of it like this. If your video's about baking the perfect chocolate chip cookie, you better make sure chocolate chip cookie recipe is in your title, description, and tags. Don't forget timestamps and a detailed description too. Chapter 6. You made an awesome video? Shout it from the rooftops. Share it everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, you name it. Join Facebook groups and Discord servers where your target audience hangs out and share the love, but don't be spammy about it. Chapter 7. The power of the comments section. The comments section is where the real party's at. Don't be afraid to jump into the conversation, comment on other videos in your niche, and reply to every single comment on your own videos. It shows you're actually present and engaged with your audience, and that's what builds a loyal community. Chapter 8. Collaboration is key, people. Find other YouTubers in your niche and team up. Do a collab video, interview each other, or even just give each other a shout out. It's a win-win. You get exposed to their audience, and they get exposed to yours. Chapter 9. You know that feeling when you finish a Netflix show and it automatically starts the next episode? That's the power of playlists and end screens. Create playlists around specific topics to keep those views coming, and add end screens that direct viewers to another one of your awesome videos. Chapter 10. At the end of the day, we all want people to like, comment, and subscribe. But don't just mumble it at the end of your video like it's an afterthought. Get creative. Ask engaging questions, do polls, Q&As, anything to get people interacting. So there you have it, my 10 game-changing tricks to skyrocket your YouTube views. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating awesome content, keep engaging with your audience, and watch those view counts soar. Want a personalized strategy based on your content type? Hit me up in the comments and let's chat.